So today I would like to talk about my project that is AI Storyteller. So this project was built as a part of the Murph API Hackathon Challenge 2, and this was built as an inspiration for the difficulties that content creation creators face while creating content. So basically when people do content creation, they face a lot of difficulty because they have to record the video, they have to edit it, they have to add audio. It takes a lot of time, and sometimes audio generation is very tedious for content creation. So I want to build something that can easily generate the audio within seconds and can be used instantly in the content creation without much edits and much efforts. So basically how it works, in the front end we have a simple input area where you can input your script, whatever you want to use as a content, like whatever you want to convert. Then there is an other option where you can use the preloaded stories that are already there, or you can ask AI to generate a script for you, and it will generate a script for you, and you can easily use it to convert to speech. Then there is an option to translate it as well, which makes it useful for educational purposes. Then there is an option to select specific voices to each character, because like your characters get mapped to specific voices, and the API that I use provides specific voices, and you can select as per your need. And finally you can generate audios. The audios are generated individually as well as a combined audio. You can use them individually as well as combined audio. The tech stack that I used was, in the front end I used HTML, CSS and JavaScript to give user a smooth experience. Then in the back end I used Express and Node.js, then MongoDB to store basic user data to keep track of the prompts or the downloads that they have done. Then I use two external APIs, that is Coher AI, Coher AI API, which allows the AI thing of the project. Then the Murph API, that was the main highlight of the project. It mainly provides the text to speech conversion. Secondly, it provides the translations and the voices that are in the project. Then I use FFmpeg for merging the audios to provide a polished audio to the user as the downloadable file. So the final outcome for the project was that this project was selected as the top 5 projects of the Murph API challenge, because it helps you to give a polished audio within minutes, which previously took a lot of effort and a lot of peoples to edit and add stuff. So yeah, this was the whole project, and I'm really proud to make this project. Thank you.